And we're back, and in this video I'm going to show you a little bit more about the basics of the blending tool in Adobe Illustrator. I've got these 6 circles prepared. The 3 small ones, I want them in the back, so select the big ones. Let me move that downwards. Right click, arrange, bring to front. So now I'm sure the orange ones are in the background. I'll select 2 of them, then I go to Object Blend, Blend Options. I want to have align to page. You can also align it to path. We go over the spacing right here. Let's start with smooth color. I'll click on OK, and now I have to make the blend, so Object Blend and Make, or Alt Ctrl B. So this is the effect that I've shown you already in another tutorial. Let us select the 2 in the middle, and I change the blending options to specified steps. Let me use 8. So it will create 8 circles in between the 2 that we've already got. Object Blend Make, and now we've got 10 circles, and they become smaller and more orange the more we move towards the smallest orange one at the top. The last is the specified distance for spacing. Let us use 100 pixels, click on OK, and Object Blend Make. And now you can see that we've got, once again, circles that become smaller and more orange the more we move towards the one at the top. And they are spaced out by 100 pixels. Let me create a rectangle and I'll show you this. And I copy that, and you can see it's the same distance every time from center to center. But we're not done here, we can still adjust it. Simply double click on your blend object and you will have the isolation mode created, so layer 1 blend. And I can select the circle and give it a different color, and you can see that the blend is automatically applied. Let us do that with the center one as well. But I now create this shape, and you can see the effect here. So it even adjusts the shape step by step. And we can do that with the last one as well. Let me change the color of the small circle. Maybe a yellow fill. Something like this, and I make it smaller. And now you can see that the circle gets closed the more we move downwards towards the green one. And these are the basics of how to use the blend tool in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.